As slaughterhouse workers across the nation keep testing positive for COVID-19, the media keeps reporting that it's dangerous for slaughterhouse workers to chop up the bodies of cows, pigs, chickens, and turkeys because they're standing so close to others who are chopping up the bodies of cows, pigs, chickens, and turkeys. President Trump even deemed chopping up animals to be an essential business, forcing slaughterhouses to stay open during the pandemic. So if it's dangerous for workers to chop off the heads and chop up the bodies of cows, pigs, chickens, and turkeys, is it dangerous for cows, pigs, chickens, and turkeys to be in a building where people are chopping off their heads and cutting up their bodies into pieces? Are their lives essential?